Here I have Seatel L4 and let me show you how to take a screenshot on the following device. At the very beginning, let's open the screen that you would like to capture. In my case, it could be, for example, simply the list of settings. And if you would like to save this screen, so all you need to do is use this combination of keys, power key and volume down. Let's hold down together those two keys for a few seconds. As you can see and hear the device just took a screenshot. Let me show you again. Let's hold down together power key and volume down simultaneously. And you just capture the screen. You can also use the second way of taking screenshots. Let's just press power key. Here let's tap screenshot and the device just took a screenshot. Let me show you again. Press power key, tap screenshot, and you just capture the screen. Now if you would like to find the screenshot folder, you can do it by using upper bar and by tapping screenshot captured, or you can also accomplish that by using the list of apps and here choose photos, choose photos right here, and here you can find your screenshot when you can share, edit, delete or do other stuff with your pictures. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.